In this video, I'll show you how to make a pop-up newsletter with system.io. So all you need to do is to go to your account, then press funnels, and here just press create. Just type a name here. Select the option, bullet audience. Okay, leave euro and press save. Now go to test and delete excuse page, confirm, delete thank you page, confirm, and now press add step. Here you type the name, let's say newsletter, and you can see here pop-up form. You have many options here, okay, but for this tutorial, pop-up form, save, good. And you can see here so many pop-ups. So let's say we choose this one, select, just press edit page, and you can edit this pop-up how you want. You can insert your image here, change text, everything, okay. So you can customize however you want. After you finish, press save changes. And you can see here script. All you need to do is to copy this script and insert in your website. Also, you can press here on create a link. Let's say click here, and also you can copy this code and insert in your website, so people when press on click here, that pop-up coming up and they insert their email address. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.